The journey started at 6:30 from Hilton Hotel. We arrived at around 9 a.m.
Alone on Central Place, looking as fine as a damn Monet. Tryna hydrate, no Perry. Everybody thirsty, drinks on me. None of my clothes on my own way.
We did some simple exercises before we started the trek.
There ain't no time for games on me. I'm
Hi guys, we are in Kimunye. So I couldn't do an intro down there because we had a group session and I can't film the other guys. But here is the other MUDZI. We loved the other hike last time, so we decided to go on another hike. So today we're going to a waterfall actually, and we'll just show you how it will go down. So be sure to stay with us until the end of this video, and don't forget to like it,
share, subscribe, comment.
Are you scared? Because the other time we were so tired. This time round
I think this is much easier than the other one.
I think the other guys have left us. I don't know if they've gone right or, but it's a trail, so we'll just follow the trail. This time round we used a company called Let's Drift. I've never traveled with a company before, so we're gonna give you a review of how it was at the end of this video, and maybe you can book with them. I'll tell you the prices, how you can book with them. Oh my god guys, I can't shoot while walking, so I'll catch up with you guys later.
I've just realized that this hiking of today, it's not that tiresome than the previous one, because a time like this ko tumeshapumzika, like it's simple and I think we can do it. We have been left behind because tumeshinda tukisimama taking pictures and reels
and videos for you guys.
Yeah,
but it's beautiful here. You even forget to take videos. You just want to walk and
breathe in the fresh air. The air is so fresh.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Guess what? Guess what? It wasn't recording.
You
have to repeat.
You
can say, why didn't you tell me?
There's something good about don't tell me they are winning the water.
Can you mind?
I'll show you.
No, there's a pipe into the water. These people are supposed to show them the land, but now where are they? They were behind me.
So guys, that's Jovial, is he our tour guide or our guide? Or what?
Trail guide. Trail.
Oh, trail.
Yeah,
trail guide. Yeah. But we got lost, so we are trying to get back.
Under his watch.
No.
Yeah, imagine.
Fun, but hey.
I don't have a watch.
We're lost.
You're not lost. I just can't find the correct route.
We are lost.
And imagine he's the only one who knows the trail.
Find the correct.
So I wonder where the others are.
No,
maybe the others are lost.
It's me and the local guide. So the local guide has them.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why you always have a local guide.
Anajitetea.
No.
Tumepotea. It's fun, by the way.
No, you are. Wait.
Okay.
She was the one leading the team, alright?
Yeah.
I was sweeping, ensuring everything is okay.
Yeah.
Alright? No.
I've never even been to a forest before. This is my first time because I come from Mombasa.
You come from Mombasa?
Yeah.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So he was following guys from Mombasa, me and my sister.
Oh, no, that's the name of
Ah, for real?
Yeah.
Nice. What's the name of your YouTube?
Shaka Ramudzi.
Shaka.
Ramudzi. It means watch our channel and then you'll know the meaning. Actually, we did a video on that.
Plant. It takes sap and nutrients from the host. Yeah. So it's like just a parasitic plant. Yeah. It's like moss. This is moss. Yeah. And then this is fun growing on the decaying mulch. Yeah. So there's a community in Nairobi. It's called Ongiek. The Ongiek community means Agiek in Kikuyu. Kusumbuka. They go through a lot of hard things. So, as in their life is basically hard. Yeah. So, Kohieka Ongiek. Yeah. So, when they are harvesting honey from beehives, they cut these, dry it, the old ones here, dry it, and then it's very good for smoking.
Smoking?
Yeah, not smoking like...
It gives you high?
No.
They burn it.
Oh, okay. I was almost denying like all of it.
Smoking to
You put smoke on the bees
subdue
and
the
then they
bees.
disappear.
Oh, okay. We are close to the waterfalls. I don't know if... Wow! Oh my god! That is gonna be fun! Oh my god! It looks so good, guys. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait.
Yeah, show you.
Wait, I show you.
Is the root? Is the root or this? Stop acting like it's something big.
We had to walk down, or rather slide down a muddy road because the other road was blocked. This is why you need good shoes, guys, for hiking. I think I'm gonna buy. Akwendeki. Jesus. Hasa kushuka sawa, lakini kupanda.
Tupandi hapa.
Unashika kama pako? My friend.
Bana tuzoplot.
Shikilia mti. Ama shikilia chini. Shuka tu na matako, my friend.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms have fallen, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah.
So guys, as you can see behind, we finally made it here. It wasn't easy, we had to slide a lot to get here. But this is what we call hiking, yeah? Not the things you do in Nairobi. Anyway, so we want to change, go for a swim, I think. And it's very cold. But as you can see behind me, that's the waterfall. Looks good, yeah?
I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Thought I'd get you.
Wanted to get into the water, but it's beautiful, yeah? Swimming is not a good idea. It's so cold.
Thought I'd get you.
We finally finished and now we are on our way back home. The trail was good,
Fun, adventurous.
yeah, and Let's
And
Drift
easy.
has a very good team, as in the guy Jovial James. I'm gonna tag his Instagram page here so you can follow him. He was the best guide, as in he did a good job. Yeah, he was always staying behind, making sure no one is, yeah, he was always concerned. But yeah, it was nice, and now we are going back to Nairobi. And thank you for being with us, thank you for joining us, and don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, comment down below and tell us what your views about this thing.
showing you places to go on a budget. This is literally on a budget. It only costs 1,000 shillings, but I think you can pay a monthly subscription. Yeah, yeah, you can just go to their website, Let's Drift, or their Instagram page, follow them and just see their offers. But we paid 1,000 each, so 2,000, and then we had to pay for a public means transport, which we paid like 350 coming, I think the same going. And yeah, and we had to pay the KWS 200 shillings, so it's something affordable you can do during the weekends. And you had to carry your own snacks, of course, because they weren't providing food and drinks, and yeah, it was fun. So guys, we are going now. Bye. Mwah, thank you for joining us. See you in the next one.